How to edit Deezer playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can edit your Deezer playlist. So in order to edit your playlist in Deezer, first of all, you need to go to your favorite. Make sure that you've already created your account, and after that, go to favorite, and then under favorite, click on under music, select playlist. After that, choose the playlist you want to edit by selecting on the edit button, which is located right on top. After that, you can change the playlist name, and you can add or edit a picture of the playlist through the camera icon. Just tap on it. You can change the privacy status of your playlist. It can be public, private, depending on your privacy switch. You can also change the arrangement of the song in the playlist. Simply drag the stack 3-line icon beside the song according to your listed preferences. This is a very good feature, especially if you want to play a song in a particular way. You can also delete a song in a playlist by hitting an -delete icon beside the song and then tap on a save to make changes permanently. In this way, you can edit your playlist on Deezer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.